In this video, we look at the second type of stations, hidden stations. Hidden stations are stations that appear on the map once the main station closest to the hidden station has been completed. Once this main station is completed, the hidden station is automatically unlocked and a push notification appears on the smartphone indicating the newly discovered station. Once a hidden station has been discovered on the map, it remains visible on the map. Hidden stations are marked yellow within the app, in contrast to the red marked stations in the main story. Creating hidden stations works exactly like creating stations for the main story, which is why we would like to refer to the video on creating stations at this point and will not create a hidden station from scratch. But we would like to point out the following functionalities and special features of hidden stations. By creating hidden stations, you can add an element of excitement and variety to your scavenger hunt. Hidden stations can be used similarly to stations in the main story to convey story content. However, completing hidden stations is not necessary to complete the scavenger hunt. Public places, or generally all the places that your scavenger hunt participants pass between the stations of the main story, are suitable locations for hidden stations. Use hidden stations to make your scavenger hunt even more exciting and interesting. Good luck with setting up your first scavenger hunt.